Braking. You can definitely hear my brake squeal. Okay, so I'm slowing down, pressing the brakes, going down a little hill. You can hear that again, coming to a stop. Okay, coming to a light, cruising at 40 miles an hour, braking. No noise. Right here, about 30 miles an hour. Braking and turning. No noise. Coming to a stop. Braking. No noise. Okay.